First of all, congratulations on the birth of your baby 2 months ago, and I'm so sorry that you've had to have your gallbladder out. It's hard enough to take care of a newborn when you're feeling healthy and when you're well, but when you're having to recover from surgery, that can be even harder. So good luck with all of that. But the nurses at the hospital are right. There are a lot of pregnant women who develop some sort of gallbladder disease. And you're at more risk for it when you're pregnant because the hormones of pregnancy cause lots of different changes in your body, just one of which happens to affect your biliary system, your gallbladder and pancreas and those sorts of things. So the hormones of pregnancy actually supersaturate the bile with cholesterol and make it more likely that gallstones will form. And pregnancy also just slows everything down, making it so things move more slowly through the gallbladder and through the duct systems. So for all of these reasons, pregnant women are at greater risk for gallbladder disease and for gallstones. And sometimes surgery needs to be done during pregnancy to help the mother feel better and get over all the attacks she's having. But sometimes it can wait till after delivery, which it sounds like that was the case with you. So again, I hope that you have a speedy recovery. And if you have any other questions for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page and recommend us to your friends and family too.